Alright guys, so now, excuse the babies in the background, but here's the chicken that I'm using. And I'm going to cut it open. I hate touching raw chicken. Like, I really don't like it at all, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Let me take my rings off. Get that in the chicken. My hands are clean, I just washed them. And I may flatten these chicken breasts because they are kind of thick. See? But if I flatten them, then I won't be able to really make a deep pocket for the cheese. So, let's see. I'm gonna cut the hole in them, or the pocket, I should say, for the cheese. And, you know, we're not gonna eat a whole chicken breast. We'll probably just cut it in half and eat it. And we'll eat this for 2 days. Okay, so this is the pocket I made. And I'm not gonna grill mine. I'm gonna make it stovetop with the cast iron because I just don't feel like cranking the grill up. I like to cut the fat off of my chicken. Now, I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, so it doesn't say to season with salt, but I always season my chicken with a little bit of salt. And it also doesn't say garlic. I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to record this and my kids and my husband just don't want to agree, which is fine. So I always season my chicken with salt though, always, and garlic, because who doesn't like garlic, right? All right, so let me get my tongs. So I'm gonna flip this over to season the back of the chicken. Pepper. Salt and garlic. Okay. Now, what do the instructions say next? Okay, so now I'm going to melt my butter to get that ready. Okay, the instructions say to get a teaspoon of butter, but let's get a new knife. This is clean. Teaspoon of butter. And then some Frank's hot sauce. What's this? It says, instructions say a 1/4 cup, but first of all, I used a tablespoon of butter. Wrong knife. This is the clean knife. There's a tablespoon of butter. And then the instructions say a 1/4 cup of Frank's red sauce, but my family likes a lot of sauce, so I think I'm gonna do a 1/2 cup. So I got a 1/2 cup of Frank's red sauce and a tablespoon of butter. Cheese. Put the cheese in the center now. Okay, I didn't really cut this one too well. Cast iron skillet, and I'm going to put it on medium high, and I'm gonna pour some olive oil in here. So I'm gonna let that heat up and then I'll be back. This is what the sauce looks like after it's been in the microwave for 30 seconds. And I'm going to get a brush here out. Well, let me get a spoon. And then mix it up. Because the butter isn't all the way melted, but it's getting there. So, before I contaminate my hands again, I'm gonna put a little bit more cheese on this one. I didn't really make the butterfly very deep. Okay. Let's see if the pan is hot. Let's see if I can close this. Like so. It should look like this. It should look like that. Okay? What I'm gonna do now is brush this side with some. Oops. This is the side that
why? He reportedly told the officer because I tried to kill my parents. Who does that? Very good question, Tony. Thank you.
I'm gonna put this side down, the side that we just brushed on, okay? Now I'm gonna do the rest of the chicken. I did not make the pocket right. And that's why the cheese is falling out, but these other two look okay. So now I'm gonna brush the rest of the chicken, pour the sauce on top of the chicken. If you're curious, this is what we're gonna have as a side, organic green beans. I steamed them in a little chicken stock, olive oil, salt, pepper, and a little bit of sugar, and they come out perfect. Alright guys, it smells really, really good. I just flipped them over. This one is the one I messed up on though, but I figured out where the slit was and I didn't put the cheese in the right area. Anyway, it smells really good. Alright guys, this is the finished product. It smells really, really good. I cut the chicken breasts in half because they're pretty large, but this is what it looks like. It smells very good, and I will let you guys know if it was good or not. Baby, what do you think about the chicken? Did you like it?
Uh-huh.
You liked it? You liked the sauce?
Uh-huh.
We all put extra red hot sauce on it. My husband is very camera shy, so he's just gonna either give it a thumbs up. Oh, thumbs up. So you like it, babe? Okay. Oh, 2 thumbs up. Okay. So it's a thumbs up. I definitely suggest trying the recipe. It's a quick, easy. It only took about 45 minutes. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Say bye, baby.
Bye.